Hello YouTube, RJ. Hey, welcome back. We're still in the HP 53131A, pimping it out. And we've got our display in the last video. And so now we're going to pull the power supply, and I've got a nocturn fan I'm going to put in to quiet this thing down. And we'll just roll and see how much we can get done on this video. So let's dig into it. So first thing I got to do is I've got to get the power supply out. So let's go ahead and get this here out. And then here on the back, got a couple smallers, torques to get out of. Believe this will get the power supply loose. And then see what we got down here to disconnect. Okay, we got a cable to come loose. Okay, so we can get this up and out of the way. Now, we've got our little fan here. I've got the nocturn. They always come with lots of accessories. Let's see what all we got here. The question is, how are we going to wire this up? Are we going to hook a set of cords that plug in and have a lot of extra cord here? Or are we going to cut wires? And I think probably we've got a little, this will work right here. We've got a little single connector for here. Two little wires that we can hook here. They've even got some crimp-ons. Still going to have extra wire, but it's shielded, and we can fold it back. I think that'll work fine. So let's do this. Let's cut our wires here somewhere. I'll say there. And let's go ahead and get this fan out. If they'll work, we're going to try to use the rubber mounts. This is what you use in a computer. If they'll fit, the holes might be too small, or don't think they'll be too large, but might be too small. Might not work, but they work. What's nice about it is the way it hangs the fan gives you rubber isolation, so vibration doesn't transfer through, so it quiets everything down. Fans are much quieter anyway, and then if you can isolate them from that piece of metal to keep from vibrating it and making noise, things are going to be much better. Okay, all right, it should just pop right out. Yep. Out with a noisy fan, and hopefully in with a quiet one. Now, will these go in? Looks like it might be a little tight. Let's see. Might be able to do it. A little tight. Worst thing will happen is the rubber will pull off. That's as far as I can get her in there. Let me get something and make them a little slippier and see if they'll go on. All right, got a little 3-in-1 oil on it. See if we can pull that thing in now. Probably not, but figure if it's a little bit slippier, maybe there's a better chance. All but got it in there. Okay, well. Again, we'll get those rubber things through there and connected on the fan. You'll see. A lot harder than I thought this part of it would be. Thought this would be the easy part. All right, I think we got her in there. Okay, so the fan is installed there on the rubber mounts. Now, we're going to take this little wire right here. And these are pretty small. You know, probably no reason I couldn't just go ahead and use these. Yeah, I don't see any reason we can't use these. Got goo in them. Okay. Now, this guy just needs to get plugged in. As so. And we need to figure out how we keep this from being a problem. I'm thinking like that'll be fine. Let's reinstall our power supply, why don't we? Well, it'll help if I get the plug in first. And it's plugged in. Start this guy right. Yeah. See if we can get these guys started. Tighten them up good. All right, how do we look down here? Everything's looking pretty good. Anything that's worrying me there. All right, with that, let's find out if this fan works now. Time to power it up. Cord hooked up. Put power on it. It's running. I didn't think so. I didn't hear anything, and it's blowing air. Let me put my mic right to it. You can't even hear this thing running now. I mean, it's that much quieter. It's dead silent. All right. Next upgrade done.